Here are some amazing facts about Oleander Hawk Moth. The Oleander Hawk Moth is also known as the Army Green Moth due to its distinctive green camouflage. It belongs to the Sphingidae family, which is known for powerful, fast-flying moths. This moth is native to parts of Africa, Asia, and certain Mediterranean regions. Oleander hawk moths are known for their large size, with a wingspan of up to 13 centimeters 5 inches. The moth is named after its primary host plant, the Oleander Nerium oleander, which is toxic to many animals. Despite oleander's toxicity, the moth has evolved to feed on it without harm. The caterpillars of this species have a remarkable transformation, starting with a bright green color that helps them blend with the leaves. Adult moths do not feed and rely on stored energy from the caterpillar stage. They are nocturnal, emerging mostly at dusk and night to avoid predators. The pattern on their wings includes green, pink, and brownish shades, resembling military camouflage. Their impressive appearance makes them popular among moth enthusiasts and collectors. The moth's green wing color helps it blend with foliage, offering effective protection from predators. Oleander hawk moths are strong flyers and can travel considerable distances. They can hover like hummingbirds, a rare ability among moths. This moth's larvae are sometimes mistaken for small snakes due to their eye-like spots on the thorax. When threatened, the caterpillar puffs up, exposing the eye spots to startle predators. The moth's Latin name, Daphnis nerii, pays homage to the oleander plant it depends on. Oleander hawk moths undergo a complete metamorphosis, from egg to larva, pupa, and finally adult. The larvae have a distinct color change, turning from green to brown before pupation. These moths play a role in pollinating flowers, helping plants reproduce. Their feeding on oleander reduces the growth of this potentially invasive plant in some areas. The moth's striking wing patterns are an example of disruptive camouflage, making them hard to spot. Although commonly found in warm regions, they migrate to temperate areas during warm months. Their life cycle duration depends on temperature and host plant availability. In cooler areas, the pupa may overwinter, allowing the moth to emerge in spring. The adult moths are drawn to light, often seen around artificial sources at night. Their long, narrow wings help them achieve sustained, fast flights. Oleander hawk moths are considered beneficial insects due to their pollination activities. The species is highly adaptable, surviving in both natural and urban environments. The larvae have a voracious appetite for oleander leaves, sometimes defoliating entire plants. The caterpillars are green with tiny white spots, adding to their camouflaging abilities. Despite their plant choice, they rarely cause harm to oleanders in gardens. When disturbed, the caterpillar may drop to the ground, remaining motionless to avoid detection. The eye spots on caterpillars help mimic larger animals, deterring potential threats. This species is known for its rapid population growth in suitable habitats. Oleander hawk moths are part of the cultural heritage in certain countries, symbolizing mystery and transformation. They are featured in many insect museums and exhibitions for their unique beauty. These moths have a high reproductive rate, laying hundreds of eggs in their lifespan. The eggs are small and pale green, blending with the leaves of the oleander plant. Females lay eggs on the undersides of leaves, providing shade and protection. After hatching, the larvae undergo several instar stages as they grow and mold. The final instar is larger and exhibits a strong desire to find a suitable pupation site. During pupation, the larvae become inactive, sealing themselves in a cocoon. The pupal stage can last from weeks to months, depending on environmental factors. This moth is one of the largest hawk moth species found in the Mediterranean region. Oleander hawk moths are often mistaken for other species due to their size and coloring. They exhibit seasonal variations in coloring, depending on environmental conditions. Adult moths have a short life, typically lasting only a few weeks.